Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the format of your keyboard on your Android or Samsung phone. Now if you pull up your keyboard, let's say you're going to type something, you can see that the keyboard keys is set to QWERTY, right? And I'm going to show you how to easily change this up. Right, so what you want to do first and foremost is you want to go to your settings. You can swipe up and search for settings, and once you find it, open that. Now scroll all the way down, guys, to where you will find the option that says General Management. Tap on that. From here, you want to select your Samsung keyboard settings. And from here, you will see the option that says Language and Types. Now from here, you will have most likely English if you're using an English keyboard. And below that, you can see it says QWERTY. Now if you tap on that, you have other options. And from here, you can see you have four options. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the second option here, and as you can see right now, if I go back anywhere and start to pull up my keyboard, you can see that my keyboard now changes to that option. Now I'm going to go ahead and change it a few more times so that you can see the other options. Let's do the one with the A, and let's go back now, and you can see that it actually changes as well. So guys, if you're looking for a way how to change the keyboard key format on your Android or Samsung phone, this is how you can easily go ahead and change this to whatever you want. Very easy and very simple.